Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install Fortnite for free on iPhone and iPad outside EU region. If you have trouble installing Fortnite on your device because it is not in the EU region, and when you want to install it on Fortnite on their website, a message will appear saying you cannot install it because you are not in the EU region. An experience crashes if you use the sideload method when opening the Fortnite game. You can follow this solution to play Fortnite on your iPhone and iPad for free forever. Here I will show you the tutorial. First, go to Fortnite game website. Then click Install button. And you will see many ways to play Fortnite. Since you are not in the EU region, please click Xbox Cloud Gaming. I use this cloud because it is free to play. Click Get Ready to Play. If you see this message, please add Xbox to your home screen by pressing the share button and click Add to Home Screen. Then, Xbox will automatically appear in your home menu. Click and launch Xbox icon. Then search Fortnite games. Click that, and click Sign In. Please log in with Microsoft account. You can create your new account if you don't have email of Microsoft. This is free. You don't need to pay anything. Just log in using your Microsoft account, such as Hotmail or Live email. After successfully logging into Xbox, you will be redirected back to the main page. Please select the Fortnite game again, then click Play. Then Fortnite will automatically run on your device. Don't worry, Fortnite will run smoothly without lag and without error. Make sure you have a smooth connection. Here I will play Fortnite with a very standard speed, but I can play Fortnite stably. Please enable your device rotation to make it easier to play. And also log in to your Epic Games Fortnite account so you can play Fortnite again with the account you played before. You can set any setting you want like any other Fortnite. Everything is the same. If you are done setting it, please try playing Fortnite. As you can see, I have successfully logged into my account and can play Fortnite without any problem. Here I will try to play Fortnite and enter its server. As you can see, Fortnite runs smoothly without any errors, crashes, and lags. I want to test Fortnite and try to play solo with this method. I remind you again, this is free and not paid. You only need an email to log in and you can freely play Fortnite without paying anything. Don't worry, this method can be used as the best alternative because it is very smooth like a Fortnite installer. Since you are not in the EU region, this is one of the free ways without having to pay for a developer certificate or bypass region on your iPhone and iPad. Make sure you have a stable connection and ping. The more stable your connection, the more stable and smooth Fortnite will be played with this Xbox. The controller that is played with this Xbox is the same as the Fortnite that you usually play. Nothing has changed. And the advantage of this Xbox is you don't need high iPhone and iPad specifications to play it. You only need a good connection and stable ping to play it with high graphics. Important information: if you can't play Fortnite because your country doesn't support it, I have several ways because my country also doesn't support this Xbox. On the Xbox page, you can see which countries support Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta. Many countries already support it. Here I will try Korea using VPN. I use Turbo VPN. With Turbo VPN you can run Fortnite at a stable speed. I will choose a Korean VPN to play Fortnite. Please activate VPN and after that reopen Xbox and click Run Fortnite. Fortnite will be played smoothly without any problems and any restrictions. After connecting to VPN, please rerun the Xbox application. Then search for Fortnite games and click play. And congratulations, you have successfully played Fortnite for free without paying any developer certificate. If you don't want to play Fortnite with this Xbox Cloud, you have to buy a developer certificate or use Trollstore. For the tutorial, you can watch my previous video. I hope this video is useful for those of you who are not in the EU region to play Fortnite. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we will discuss it together. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel to get more updates.